children, I completed numbers from 101 to 150. I helped you in that. You have to complete for sure 150 to 200 today, because using the above table we have to do this exercise, complete the pattern of numbers they asked. By seeing this only I can explain you. So for sure you have to fill these boxes and be ready for next class. After keeping aside that exercise, I will explain you second one, that is give the number that comes after 120. You have to fill in the blanks. I will tell you these 4 numbers, okay? You have to complete this box for sure today. Now tell me the number comes after 120. You have wrote in your books, right? See, look at that table and tell me what number you wrote in that after 120. Yes, very good. 121. Yes. Then after 135, search where the number 135 in the table and tell me what number comes after 135. Yes, very good. 136. And then after 140, look at that. Look at the table. After 140, you get, yes, very good children, 141. Then they gave the next number is 1. You have to write, see, 121 you have to write in this fill in the blank, and 135, after 135 you get 136, so you have to write here 136. After 140 you got 141. You have to write this. Then after 179 you get 180. You didn't write here, no? So your homework is to write from 150 to 200. So complete that. Then fill this, okay? I will explain you in the next class how to fill this, and this exercise also let us do in next class. Be ready for that, children. Till then, bye. Hi children, good morning. In before class I have taught you 3-digit number, how to write and how to spell also I have told you. In today's class, let us fill this empty boxes in your textbook, okay? Now open your textbook, page number 66. Page number 66. You have to fill these boxes along with me. I will help you till 150, numbers from 101 to 150. Remaining numbers from 150 to 200 you have to fill, okay? I will help you out in filling these boxes, okay children? Now repeat with me and tell along with me what number comes after 101. Yes, 102. After 102 you get, tell me, 103, 103, 101, 102, 103, 103. You have to write in this box. They have given as empty box. You have to write 102, 101, 102, 103. They have given 2 numbers. From there, in these empty boxes you have to fill, okay? Write this in this empty box, okay? After 103 you get 104, 104, then 105. Tell me, 104, 105, 106, that means 106, 106. Then 107, write with me, 107, 108, then 109. In these boxes you have to write, children. Here they gave 110. No need to write 110. They already filled that box, okay? They have already filled here. So then after 110, what number you get after 110? Have you noted down these, children? 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, not 9. Okay, write fast, note it down, I will rub it off. Okay, after they already gave here 110 and also 111 also they gave. So after 111 the number you get is, tell me, after 111 you get 112. Very good children, 112. After 112 you get 113. 112, then 113. See, in 100 till you reach one more 100, the first one will be 1 only. 101, 102, 103, then 104, like that. Okay, after 12 you get 13. No, so just add before that 1, you will understand easily. So 113, after 113 you get 114. You all know, no, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 112, 113, 114, then 1 1 5 15. Okay, then after that you get 1 1 16. You have to write like this, children. Note this down fastly. I'll rub above numbers. Okay, after 115 you get 116. Then after 116 you get 117, 117. They have given already 117. So after 117 you get 118. Okay, after 118 you have to write in this empty boxes, children. Don't miss the numbers. 119, 119, then 120, 120, 120. After 120 you get, tell me, 121, 121, then 122. You have to fill this number, children. 123, then 124, then after 125. Okay, they already given here 125, so no need to write 125. Write 126. Okay, 126, then 127. Okay, you have to write, children. Note it down fast. Okay, repeat with me. 117, 117, 117. You have to spell 3-digit number in this way only. Okay, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122. Like that you have to write. Note down this fast. I am going to rub. I will tell you more 20 numbers. That means I will complete till 150. Remaining you have to fill, children. Okay, that is your homework. I am rubbing. Okay, now after 127, number is, yes, very good, 128. Okay, 129. Okay, 130. Okay, 128, 129, 130, 131. Repeat with me. After 131, 132, 132. Then 133. They already wrote 133, so write 134. Okay, 134, then 135, 136, 137. All these numbers you have to fill in those empty boxes. Okay, 137, then 138. After 138 you get 139. Yes, good. 139. After 139 it is 140. They already given in that box 140. Okay, after 140 we have to write, okay, note this first. Okay, 128, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132. They already wrote 133, so 134. After that 135, 136, 137, 138, 139. Okay, now I am rubbing. Okay, 141. They already wrote 140, 141, 142, 143, 144. Okay, 142, 143, 144. They already given 145. So write 146. Then 147. Okay, then 148. They already gave 149. So write 150, 150. Okay, these are the numbers you have to write in those boxes. Now fill all these boxes from 150 to 200. Okay, don't miss, children. You have to write compulsory. Fill those boxes. If any doubt, revise once again numbers from 150 to 200.